Well, welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys had a phenomenal Thanksgiving week and weekend, and what a great time to spend with family. So, as we go ahead and we take a look here, a couple of things I want to update you. So, right now, we're at this kind of critical stage where the market looked like it was going to go to heck in a handbasket here, but we just couldn't get the sell signals going on. You notice, like, for instance, down here at the ITP, we got the fast trigger pushing down, but the core trigger, nope, just never got anywhere near breaking over into the red here. Snapped right back up here into this choppy area, and we're still red overall here. But here's how I play this, and this is what I want you guys to understand. When we have this kind of, in the perfect world, we'd be green here, and this would be green down below here to strengthen the probabilities. But when you're in a situation like this, if I've got a lot of room to grow, like right now, well above 26,000 on the NASDAQ, for instance, here right now, we're sitting there with several hundred points left of room up to that key resistance area. At the same time, my hourly charts are the green and green, as they have been basically all day today. Then the reality is, the only thing I'm looking for is for those 1 and those 5-minute charts to go right back into the buy signals. And there were several of them here, obviously, today, leading to a lot of great opportunities. But I want you to understand probability-wise where that's coming from. So we're bullish above the speed lines over here. We're going back to blue and blue on the ITP indicators over there. We have room to grow to the sell side resistance. And the hourly chart was just full blown. My ITP signals, champion trend pack, everything was basically buy side here. So you're just looking for those 1 minutes and 5 minutes to kind of come right into alignment with that. So that's how we're looking at that. And that's where we stand going into tomorrow. Now, if all of a sudden the hourly chart, as we come into the overnight session now, we were either flat on the hourly chart or worse yet, down, then there's probably going to be very little trading from my perspective, because we've got a little bit of bullishness coming up. We're under those speed or above those speed lines. And so if we're just kind of settling down into the Wednesday session, coming back into this area, that is a very high risk, low probability area. But if we continue to remain bullish on the hourly chart and we still have this room to grow, well, then that's a great place to be looking for those 1-5 minute type longs there. Okay, so I just want to really kind of hit the strategy with you, let you know what I'm going to be looking for going into tomorrow's session there, and catch up with you guys after Thanksgiving, and we'll talk here in the next day or so with updated videos and maybe some updated trading ideas from trades I've done and things of that nature as well. But in the meantime, want to make sure you understood the overall strategy to increase those probabilities of success. Have a great rest of the night. We'll see you shortly, gang. Bye-bye for now.